Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember this is just my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're looking at Sage, found at sage.com. This software is a powerhouse for businesses, offering a suite of tools to manage everything from accounting and financials to people and payroll. While it might seem daunting at first glance, understanding its core functionalities can unlock a wealth of organizational potential. My experience with Sage has been primarily focused on their accounting features, specifically for managing invoices and tracking expenses. It's made a significant difference in streamlining our financial processes. One of the most beneficial aspects for me has been the ability to generate reports quickly and easily, giving a clear overview of our financial health. The platform is designed to cater to businesses of various sizes, from small startups to larger enterprises. This scalability makes Sage a viable long-term solution as your business grows and evolves. Navigating the website can be a little tricky initially, but once you familiarize yourself with the layout, finding the specific tools and resources you need becomes much simpler. They offer different plans and pricing tiers, so it's important to explore those options to find the best fit for your specific needs and budget. Beyond accounting, Sage provides solutions for HR management, payroll processing, and even industry-specific tools tailored to construction, manufacturing, and nonprofits. This comprehensive approach makes it a central hub for managing many critical aspects of your business operations. I've found their customer support to be generally responsive and helpful when I've had questions or encountered issues. They offer various support channels, including phone, email, and a knowledge base, which provides helpful articles and tutorials. While I haven't personally explored all of Sage's offerings, my experience with their core accounting features has been positive overall. It's definitely a tool worth considering if you're looking to improve your business's financial management and streamline operations. Remember to check out the link in the description below to learn more and explore the various plans available. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome research and productivity tips.